I'm running out of time. The daylight's going away. I just wanted to get this done. So look, guys, it's very simple. String goes in behind the emblem, and you just start working it back and forth. But when you do this, you pull towards yourself and away from the truck. So the string is not touching the paint in any form or fashion. So I'm actually pulling out towards myself, and I'm kind of doing it. Look at that, it's breaking again. This must be some cheap string. Guys, we're gonna do it. Get a better fishing string than I had sitting around the house. This stuff must be old or something and broke. Okay, we're back at it again. I broke my other string, so I had to get some other. It's getting dark, so we had to roll. So look, I'm gonna stick this in behind the emblem, and I'm just gonna run that in a sawing motion. I don't know if you notice this, but I'm pulling away from the truck. I'm pulling towards my body. That way I don't have to worry about the string hitting the truck in any shape, fashion, or form. And all I'm doing is sawing behind there, and that is cutting the sticky behind it. So you see I'm all the way through. Now here's one thing you got to pay attention to. Watch this. Do not pry out on this very hard. This one came off easy, some of them don't. This is actually a hard plastic, and if you pry hard on it, it will dig into your paint and make a mark on your paint. You notice that one just fell off because it came clean. If there's some sticky left, do yourself a favor and just work it out slow. And I put my fingernail under any point like this and pull against my fingernail or whatever I got to do, maybe even a spatula. I've used Bondo spatulas for it. But this will dig into your paint and cause you problems. So there's how to get the emblem off, and I'll come back tomorrow when it's not so dark and show you how to get the sticky off. Okay, these are, I don't even know what you call it, but it is a adhesive remover. And you buy them at body shop repair places, Snap-on tool trucks. 3M makes them, and it will literally, it acts like an eraser, and it will literally take this right off of the paint. It will leave no marking on your paint, and it will leave no residue behind. So you started. You see, it just erases it. And it does it rather quickly. You got to keep moving so it does not get hot on you. As long as you keep moving, you'll have no problems at all. Now all I gotta do is come back with a little bit of cleaner, clean off a little bit of this residue that's on here. That's really nothing. You see it's wiping off with my thumb. But that is how you debadge a truck or car. Go debadge yours, because the factory emblems are ugly. Get them out of there. Get it looking fresh and clean. You'll appreciate it. Uses that you can also use this for is to get any stickers that might be on your vehicle off. This will literally peel those stickers right out of there. Won't hurt the paint again, like I said. Will hardly leave any residue behind. Stuff you can just clean right off with an average cleaner. There you go. You can see how simple this process is. Go get you one of these in your Snap-on tool guy or your paint and body repair. This is just dust on here. Most of this will wipe right off with a simple cleaner and leave no residue behind, because it's just like eraser dust, just like from when you were in school, boys and girls. All right, so that will conclude the video. You guys see that I took all the badges off. It was really easy. It didn't take me 20-30 minutes to get it done. I showed you the tools that I used. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Please do me the favor and support the channel by hitting the like and subscribe button. Flick the little notification bell so you get the notifications when I upload more videos. And there's a lot more to come with this truck. I'm going to drop it, I think, 3 and 5 inches, and then we'll be sitting on a set of 24s. After that, the only thing left to do is supercharge it, baby. Let's get it.